ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra is a resin powerhouse aimed at users who want high resolution and speed. A 10-inch 16K monochrome LCD, ultra-high density, flip-up lid, smart tank heating, maintains ~30°C, and quoted print speeds up to ~150 mm with a reasonably large resin build volume, roughly 8.33 by 4.66 by 8.66 inches. If you're moving into serious resin work, miniatures, dental models, sharply detailed prototypes, the Saturn 4 Ultra's high pixel density really shows on fine details. The listing and ELEGOO product info describe these features and show the typical pros or cons for advanced resin printers. Do check live pricing on the product page. In practice, the Saturn 4 Ultra gives crisp layers and detail fidelity that's immediately noticeable compared to older 4K or lower displays. The smart tank heating helps consistency in cooler rooms, and the flip-up lid is a nice practical upgrade for resin handling. Customers on the listing praise detail and reliability, but resin workflows always demand post-processing, PPE, and ventilation. Resin printing is not instant gratification. It's a different workflow than FDM. If you're okay with the extra steps, wash, cure, safety, the ultra-high resolution results are excellent. Pros: stunning detail thanks to 16K mono LCD, smart heating, quality build for professionals or hobbyists who need fine detail. Cons: resin workflow complexity, consumable costs, and the need for careful handling. Buyers rate the Saturn series highly for detail and consistency, making it a top option for serious resin creators. And yes, we share by links in the description box.